I invite you to lie down or find a position where your body feels supported. There is no correct posture here, only a place where effort can soften. Allow your weight to settle downward. Notice the surface beneath you, steady, reliable, unmoving. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Pause gently at the top. And release the breath slowly through the mouth. Again, inhale, receiving, pause, exhale, letting go. Nothing is being asked of you. You don't need to arrive anywhere else. You are here, and that is enough. Now imagine, deep beneath the surface of the earth lies a single seed. It is small, quiet, unremarkable to the outside world. It rests in darkness, not a frightening darkness, but one that is protective and safe. The soil around it is cool and steady. Moisture arrives naturally. Time passes without urgency. The seed is not broken for resting here. It is not delayed. It is not failing. This is where all life begins. If your own life has included darkness, periods of collapse, confusion, or loss, let this image gently reframe that experience. Darkness is not the end. It is the place where repair begins. As you breathe, imagine your body resting like this seed, held, protected, unpressured. With each exhale, allow your nervous system to soften into the idea that nothing needs to happen yet. Notice how the seed does not grow immediately. Before movement, there is safety. Before reaching upward, there is grounding. The earth regulates the seed's environment automatically. No effort required. Let your body receive this message. You do not need to heal by force. You heal by being supported long enough. If there are parts of you that feel hesitant, tired, or unsure, welcome them here. They are not obstacles. They are signals asking for gentleness. Stay here for a few breaths, resting, receiving. At some point, without being pushed, the seed begins to respond. Tiny roots extend downward. They move slowly and deliberately. They are not searching for the future. They are anchoring. Imagine these roots spreading outward beneath the soil, creating stability, resilience, and support. Now imagine these roots extending from you, from your hips, from your legs, from your spine, rooting you into steadiness, into safety, into the present moment. These roots represent the foundations of your new life. Simple practices, small choices, moments of awareness. Nothing dramatic, nothing forced. Just enough support to stay grounded when life moves. Notice what stability feels like in your body. Heavier, more settled, less reactive. This is how rebuilding begins. With strong roots in place, something begins to rise. A small green shoot moves upward through the soil. It does not break through violently. It emerges because the conditions are right. Light touches it for the first time. This shoot represents your new life. Not a perfect life, not a finished version of you, but a life shaped by presence, regulation, and choice. Imagine what this life feels like from the inside. Maybe your mornings feel steadier. Maybe your breath moves more freely. Maybe you respond instead of react. See yourself moving through daily moments with a little more space and a little more self-trust. Storms may still come, but your roots remember. You bend, not break. You grow without pressure. Let this image settle deeply into your body. Take one slow breath in, drawing awareness all the way down to your roots, and release. Know that the seed continues growing, even when you are not watching it, even when progress feels invisible. Healing is what happens beneath the surface. When you are ready, gently return your awareness to the room. As you continue on with your day, remember that this seed doesn't stop growing when the meditation ends. Each time you return to your breath, to stillness, to gentle movement, you are watering what's already begun. Like support as this new life takes shape, you're welcome to continue practicing with me through somatic and yin yoga designed to support nervous system regulation and recovery. You can find those practices linked below, along with another guided meditation. Move slowly as you return, and trust that becoming happens one breath at a time.